Did you know about this? Huh?
I'm sorry, P. I'm sorry you gotta have a surprise party in your huge mansion. You gotta get a bunch of expensive gifts from your rich friends. I'm sorry that you got a thoughtful executive. Some of us got real problems. I'm fighting to see my son.
Oh, I'm sorry, D. Is a single afternoon with your son not enough to repair the years of neglect?
Watch your mouth, man.
And whose fault is it that you can't see him?
Screw you. And screw your damn privilege, man. And your attitude, man. Are you mad? You mad, P? What, you wanna break this? You wanna break Carter's bottle of wine? Huh? You wanna break this big-ass bottle of wine?
Yes!
What else you wanna do, P? You want this right here?
The bull. I've always hated that. The portrait. No, not that one.
This one?
No.
This one right here?
No.
Which one?
The one behind you.
This one?
Yes.